Hello and welcome back to our Christmas countdown quilt-along. Yes, it's December 24. This is our last morning together. I presume we're all going to be very busy tomorrow morning with preparing food, sharing presents and spending fun times with family and friends. So let's have a look at this last section where we've written Merry Christmas, and we're just going to be stitching around the outside, echoing those words and that sentiment. I tend to go around everything twice just to give it more impact. You'll also notice that I just find that one little stitch to get across from one letter to the next. By the time I've outlined it twice, you really don't see that one little stitch. So that's how I get away with outlining the printing. And I'm going to jump stitch across to the word Christmas and do the same thing. But there we go, there is our Nutcracker. All that's left now for me to do is to stitch perhaps down the outside border here in the black, and then I'm going to grab my cream thread and stitch on the cream calico or muslin just with a stipple or an echo, something that's just going to sink in and disappear, and to give it a little bit of texture, and I'll go right out to the edge ready for that binding to be added on the side there. So thank you so much for joining me for our Christmas quilt along together. It's been a lot of fun. I think this is our 7th year we've done this. So you've probably got quite a collection now of mini Christmas wall hangings to choose from. But I hope you enjoyed this one with the Nutcracker. And I look forward to seeing you in the new year, as we'll have new block of the months, new designs, education and inspiration every day of 2023. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas to you and all your family. And thank you for your support this year. Look forward to seeing you in the new year. Bye. Bye. Merry Christmas. Bye. Merry Christmas. Bye.